Teddy Trigonomics. I'm gonna replace this trigger soon. I don't know when though, but this trigger's gone. This is my Glock 17 clone. Well, Glock 19X clone, PSA dagger. Wasn't supposed to show this, but whatever. I'm replacing the firing pin on this. I don't. It misfired like a few times. So this, I took this out of my Exodus. It's a G-Force Glock 19 clone. I know this one is really good. So I'm replacing the firing pins. I don't like the slide, so never gonna use it. So excuse me. I've shot this. It shoots really nice. But let's see what the difference. I don't know. Maybe the spring. I don't know why it's not shooting correctly, but I'm not dealing with it. Put it on my. This is my home defense gun. Well, not really, but if I grab it, I grab it. Let's see which one looks nicer. This one. This feels plastic. This is metal. Will it fit on this? Of course it should. So this is spring. I don't want it to don't want this shit to pop up. So push this down, get it, there you go. Push this down, get it. And push it down a little more. There you go. Now get that motherfucker in there. There you go. Replace the firing pin. I'm never gonna use this slide just because there's no optic cut. It looks okay, but I'll probably take all the internals out, put it in this one. But I mean, I guess this is the only important piece in there. I mean, they're all important, but let's see. I'll assemble this one and keep it. It's not stock anymore, but don't care because I could find these damn pieces for cheap. You get this piece first. Once it's in. Alright, yep. Once it's in, slide that motherfucker in. Why doesn't it want to go in? There you go. Probably change my back plate to some nice, more custom back plate, but oh shoot. Wait. Get in there. Get in there. It's magnetic, so it's like pulling it. I should probably, the other one, this one is plastic. I should probably replace that for a metal one. Whatever. If it doesn't fire correctly, relatively easy, I'll do it again. Doesn't look like it's all the way in there, but don't care because it might come out of there anyways. You got the barrel, a really nice barrel. Again, cleaning shit with alcohol. Probably shouldn't, but excuse the mess, man. It's a garage. Never really, I want to fix it to something, but I don't know what.